Half base times height is the formula for calculating the area of a right angle, and pi r square is the formula for calculating the area of a circle, right? You follow me? Now, just as these shapes have their respective formulas, there is a formula used in calculating the water of crystallization. The formula is mass of hydrated salt over mass of water molecule equals molar mass of hydrated salt over molar mass of water molecule. That means you simply divide the mass of the hydrated salt by the mass of water. Divide the molar mass of the hydrated salt by the molar mass of water and equate them together. So simple, isn't it? Let's go to an example. We have 14 grams of hydrated H2C2O4XH2O was heated to give an anhydrous salt weighing 9.99 grams. Calculate the value of X. Now, give the formula of the hydrated salt. Calculate the percentage of the water of crystallization. Now, let's solve it. Very simple. Now, we know that our formula is mass of hydrated salt over mass of water molecule equals molar mass of hydrated salt over molar mass of water molecule. Now, we have 14 divided by 14 minus 9.99. That's on the left-hand side. Now, let's go to the right-hand side. Now, it equals 90 plus 18x divided by 18x. Now, moving on, we have 14 divided by 4.01 equals 90 plus 18x, close bracket, over 18x. What do you do next? Very simple. You cross multiply. Now, when you cross multiply, what would you have? You have 14 times 18x equals 4.01, open bracket, 90 plus 18x. So what do? You open the bracket. Simple. Now, 14 times 18 equals 252x equals, now use the 4.01 in the previous equation to open the bracket. So what do we have? Now, we have 252x. Now, so what do we do next? We collect the like terms. That means we bring the values that have x on the side and we bring the ones that are just numbers on the other side. So what do? You say 252x minus 72.18x, one side, that's on the left-hand side, equals 360.9. So we have 179, that's 179.82x equals 360.9. What do? Very simple. You divide both sides by 179.82. And when you divide both sides, we have x equals 360.9 divided by 179.82. And we have our x to be 2.007. We cannot leave our answers like this. So what do? We convert to a whole number. That is 2 to the nearest whole number. Moving on. The formula of hydrated salt becomes H2C2O4 2H2O. Now, to calculate the percentage of water of crystallization, now we have percentage of water of crystallization equals mass of water over total mass times 100%. Now, let's solve it. Very simple. Don't stress. 36 over 90 plus 36, in the bracket, multiplied by 100. Now, we have 36 divided by 90 plus 36 is what? 126. That means we have 36 divided by 126 times 100. Now, 36 times 100, that's what? 3,600 divided by 126. And we have our answer to be 28.57%. Wow. That's so simple, right? Now, moving on. What have we learned? We have learned that there are designated formulas for calculating water of crystallization and percentage water of crystallization, and they are as follows. Let's look at them. We have mass of hydrated salt over mass of water molecule equals molar mass of hydrated salt over molar mass of water molecule, and water of crystallization equals mass of water over total mass times 100%. I hope you enjoyed that class. It was insightful and I'm very sure that you learned so much. I can't wait to see you in the next class. Bye for now.